Radio. So you've seen this before. We had all our data in here, but this is the part that we're going to look at now. We're going to look at manual entry. So we have a number of supernova that we've got data on. So I'm going to click on this first one. And there it is there. So this is supernova 2007 KH. And I'm going to do this and collect that. I'm going to paste it in here. You can see the columns MJD. So this is the date in a certain format, and this is the magnitude of it. I'm going to take this because we need the first one to go up there, and I've got that. So now I've got that. You can see I've got some of our dots. Unfortunately, they're below the axis, so I need to change this axis a little bit. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to change that to 30. So you'll see this will change down here to 30 once I've done that. And there it goes. I'll get rid of that. So now I've got that down there. We know I can move this, but before I move it, we've got to change this reddening. And each one will be a different value. So this is our reddening is 0.198. So 0.198. Okay, so now I can get this. So I'm going to move that to 2, move that to 37. How we go? Okay, I'm just going to leave it there. I can adjust that to make it a bit, maybe 38. No, 36.8. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty close. So I've got that. So now I've got my megaparsecs as well. So I know the distance that this galaxy of this supernova is, and it's in a particular galaxy, so we can work this out. Now we're going to scroll down to this one to work out our Hubble's constant. So you can see this has got the data for this fake one, and you've got that here. So this is where we're going to get our Hubble's constant. So we haven't got a fake supernova. We've got supernova 2007 KH. Its distance, what did we calculate its distance to? 229.09. 229.09. Now, do not copy and paste because otherwise you'll get the error, the formula. You'll lose the formula. Our velocity, we need to get the velocity from up here. So it's velocity 14,850. 14850. Okay, so I've got the velocity and we leave this error as well. So now we've got our first data point. So we've done that. Now we're going to get another one. So the first thing we do is delete all that. Now I close this one down. Get our next one up. Radio. So if we have a look at this. Okay, so they've caught this one a bit earlier, so they've got a bit more data on that one. So copy and paste. Now take that first one, copy and paste in there. I've got to change my reddening up here to 0.229. 0.229. Okay, so now this is pretty close. I'm going to just lift it up a little bit, so maybe 36. Look at that, almost perfect. So get down here, and it's going to be 2007 KK, and my magnitude, my distance was 158.49. 158.49. I'm going to leave that as 10. My velocity, look back up here. Oops, I need to make that a bit bigger. There we go. 12180. 12180. My velocity error stays as 1000. And there we go. I've got our second data point. And this will keep changing as you put more points in. This will be the gradient, and that will change to get the average. And so you just keep going and keep doing that. So you will delete these, delete that, get in your new lot of